Forget everything you know about Japanese luxury, because Lexus has just shattered the rules of the entire automotive industry. For years, the elite full-size SUV segment has been dominated by German engineering and oversized American land yachts. But the arrival of the flagship 2026 to 27 Lexus LX 1000 completely rewrites the script. This isn't just an update to a legendary lineage, it is a declaration of war against the Range Rover Autobiography and the Cadillac Escalade. Underneath its ultra-aggressive architectural exterior lies a mechanical masterclass that changes the game entirely, boasting a rumored powerhouse setup that early reports claim will push a staggering 650 horsepower. But while the initial praise has been deafening, there is a dark, heavily classified secret buried deep within this vehicle's electronic infrastructure. A hidden engineering decision that Lexus desperately hopes buyers won't notice until after they leave the dealership. And if you plan on dropping 6 figures on this machine, you need to know exactly why this single flaw could cost you thousands in repairs down the line. A critical issue we will expose by the end of this video. To understand why the LX 1000 is causing panic in Stuttgart and Detroit, you have to look at how Lexus reimagined their flagship presence. The iconic spindle grille has been evolved into a massive three-dimensional sculpture that commands the road, flanked by razor-sharp LED matrix headlights that look like digital scalpel blades. The body lines are incredibly taut, eliminating the bulkiness of past generations and replacing it with a muscular, wide-stance silhouette that looks impossibly premium. Step inside the cabin, and you are immediately enveloped in an environment that feels more like a private jet than a standard sport utility vehicle. Lexus master craftsmen have deployed layered, semi-aniline leather, open-pore Takanoha wood trims, and an absolute tech sanctuary featuring a massive dual touchscreen layout that responds with lightning-fast fluid dynamics. For the ultimate experience, the executive ultra-luxury trim completely removes the cramped third row, replacing it with dual rear captain's chairs featuring built-in massage programs, power retractable ottomans, and a climate concierge system that reads your body temperature via infrared sensors to adjust the zone instantly. It is a staggering level of opulence that practically begs you to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most exclusive vehicles. And while you are down there, hit that like button to help push this video out to more passionate car enthusiasts just like you. Driving this beast is where the true paradigm shift occurs, because the LX 1000 ditches the old, lazy driving dynamics for a sophisticated, adaptive air suspension system that reads the road thousands of times per second. Combined with an advanced full-time four-wheel drive system and electronic locking differentials, this 3-ton monolith can glide over brutal potholes with absolute serenity, yet tackle extreme off-road trails that would leave ordinary luxury crossovers entirely stranded. The steering has been completely retuned to give the driver a commanding, connected feel, stripping away the bounciness that plagued older luxury platforms. Yet, all of this staggering performance and unmatched craftsmanship leads us directly back to the massive elephant in the room that Lexus is actively trying to hide from the public. While the badge says LX 1000, suggesting a monumental leap in mechanical scale, the truth hidden beneath that beautifully sculpted hood is far more complicated and controversial. Lexus has completely bypassed a traditional naturally aspirated V8 engine in favor of a heavily boosted, twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain. To achieve those massive horsepower figures and compete with heavy-hitting rivals, engineers have tuned this engine to its absolute thermal limit, running incredibly high turbo boost pressures. This means the mechanical stress on internal components is unprecedented for a brand built on the philosophy of understressed, million-mile reliability. Furthermore, the complex software architecture required to manage the handoff between the electric motors, the twin turbochargers, and the ultra-advanced 10-speed automatic transmission is already experiencing early electronic glitches in pre-production testing. If that intricate electronic brain miscommunicates even slightly over time, the high-pressure turbo system faces an incredibly high risk of premature failure, turning your bulletproof luxury investment into a ticking financial time bomb once the factory warranty expires.